Here is the dremeling process on a 1996 original Air Jordan 11. Glue's already been removed. The dremeling is not for glue removal. It is for loosening up that material so it's suitable for a bond. I'm going to shut up and get to dremeling. Little side note, you cannot glue onto patent leather. It is not a suitable surface to bond to. So the lineup has already been completed. This is just roughing up all the material so that it can accept the glue and we can get the best bond possible. Alright, now that the very top edge meeting the patent leather has been done, right, that's the most important part because that's what seals in. That's the only part of the glue job you're actually going to see because that's where the lineup is. That's the most important. That's done. Now we can kind of go crazy on everything underneath, right? Don't have to be as detailed, as precise. All right, now all the leather's done. Leather's ready for glue. Just want to hit this a little bit because there's some old glue on here. And this, it's not as important to skive off, right? You don't have to skive. You don't want to skive this because you'd eat into the strobel. This you can just Dremel off. The glue's going to bond to this material very easily, even if there is a little glue residue still left over built in. Just mess this up. If you make it look rough, it's all right. It's all underneath. If you want more information or more in-depth videos, right, because I'm not covering nearly enough on the process of this, I have that type of information on my Patreon in bio. Click that bio, find Patreon, join the tier you want to, and I think we're up to close to 600 posts on there. These videos ranging from 1 minute to 1 hour, full reglues, tutorials, how-to, do's and don'ts, what I do, and why I do it. It's in the bio, and that's done, you guys. That is how you prep the surface for glue.